Materials. 1. Leather, commonly used due to its natural heat resistance and durability. Cowhide and goatskin are popular choices. 2. Meta-Aramid, Nomex, a synthetic material known for its exceptional heat resistance and flame retardant properties. 3. Para-Aramid, Kevlar, offers excellent heat resistance and is also very strong and cut resistant. Features. 1. Heat resistance, look for gloves specifically designed to withstand the temperatures you'll encounter in your tasks. 2. Dexterity, consider the level of dexterity needed for your tasks. Some gloves offer more flexibility than others. 3. Grip, a good grip is essential to prevent accidents. Silicone or textured surfaces can enhance grip. 4. Lining, some gloves have insulating linings for added protection and comfort. 5. Cuff length, longer cuffs offer more protection for the wrists and lower arms. 6. Size, ensure a proper fit for comfort and safety. Common uses. 1. Cooking, handling hot pots, pans, and grills in kitchens. 2. Welding, protecting hands from sparks and heat in welding operations. 3. Industrial, handling hot materials in manufacturing processes. 4. Firefighting, heat-resistant gloves are crucial for firefighters when handling hot surfaces and materials. 5. Laboratory work, handling hot equipment and materials in scientific research. Maintenance. 1. Cleaning, follow manufacturer instructions for cleaning to maintain heat resistance and prolong the lifespan of the gloves. 2. Inspection, regularly inspect gloves for signs of wear and tear, such as holes or thinning material, and replace as needed. 3. Storage, store gloves in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and heat sources when not in use.